Yo fam, meet the future of cooking right here. With 6 functions in one, this is tech magic. Air fry, grill, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat, all here. Cook for the whole squad with its massive 5.7-liter basket. Family feast just got way easier, no cap. Craving fries, nuggets, or even cake? You got it. French fries, samosas, banana chips, you name it. Enjoy fried taste with 95% less oil. Yes, please. Who needs the guilt when you can munch freely? With Even Crisp technology, get that perfect crunch. Tender and crispy, but without all the grease. The one-touch digital panel makes cooking a breeze. Just select your function and let it roll. Don't sweat it, there's a 1-year warranty. Cleaning is super simple, thank the cooking gods. This beauty is energy efficient, saving your dough. With a sleek design, it looks fab on your counter. Everyone in the fam loves it like it's a vibe. Don't miss out on this culinary revolution. Grab yours now.